learn sound of letter I and J. But before, we will revise previous sound from A to G. So let's revise with me. A apple. A apple. A says A. A says A. A has long sound. A. B balloon. B balloon. B says B. B says B. C cat. C cat. C says C. C says C. D duck. D duck. D says D. D says D. E engine. E engine. E says E. E says E. E has short sound. E. F flower. F flower. F says F. F says F. G girl. G girl. G says G. G says G. H hen. H hen. H says H. H says H. Now children, we will learn sound of I and J. This is letter I. Sound of I is I. I. Sound of I is I. I insect. I insect. I ink pot. I ink pot. I igloo. I igloo. This is letter J. Sound of letter J is J. Sound of letter J is J. J jug. J jug. J juice. J juice. J jelly. J jelly. Now you know children, I says E. I says E. And J says J. J says J. Now you do practice and remember it well. Thank you. Have a nice day.